Hi, Farah.
He's
Sucking on Daddy's finger.
She hasn't complained.
Yeah, look at that.
Good girl.
Yeah.
Good baby. It's okay, sweetheart. Yeah, good girl.
We think Farah might be starting teething.
Aww. She's a big girl.
Dad. Baby. Mom. Grandpa over there, we're visiting Grandpa Jim. Doing his exercises.
As far as you can bend it.
Getting it going.
It's okay, sweetheart.
Here we are. Hanging out. And the baby. And our baby.
Little sweetheart.
Sucking away.